Hi guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification, and don't forget to give the video the thumbs up. So we're going to make some lamb chops this evening, and here are all the ingredients that we're going to need in order to make our lamb chops. So here we have some seasoned lamb chops. I had it marinating overnight. And here we have some butter, and here we have some rosemary and about 3 cloves of garlic. So it's quite simple. Like I said, I seasoned my lamb chops already. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to cook our lamb chops. So let's head over to the stove. Okay guys, so our lamb is completed. So now we're gonna plate it, put it on our plate here. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make lamb with rosemary and garlic, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.